Hey Vikings, I'm Shalee.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Dylan. And welcome back to our final broadcast of the year.
Thank goodness this year is almost over.
I don't think I could go one more day of high school.
Me neither. What's y'all's plans for the summer?
I'm hanging out with friends and enjoying a summer before college.
I want to travel with my friends and get out of here for a little bit.
Awesome. I'm ready to take a few months off. Let's go see what other Viking summer plans are.
What's up, Vikings? I'm Dylan.
And I'm Sean. Today we are going to go ask our fellow Vikings what their summer plans are.
Let's go.
All right, Taryn, what are your plans for this summer?
Get my tan on and live.
Hello, sister of mine. I live with you, so I already know this question. What's your summer plans?
I don't know. Sleep?
And cry. She likes to cry.
Watch Criminal Minds.
Who am I here with?
Levi.
All right, Levi. Dude, he has like PTSD.
Levi Lejinsky.
All right, Levi, what are your plans for this summer?
Oh, probably do a little bit of farming. Probably a little bit of trucking.
Yeehaw! All right, thanks, Levi. Who am I here with?
Rylan.
Rylan, I want you to tell her your best pickup line.
No.
Okay, what are your plans for this summer?
Sleep.
Okay. It's PJ Smith's turn. Bombeck, what are your plans for the summer?
Plans for the summer. Gosh. I do have a fun little summer involved. Going to Home Depot. Maybe Bed Bath & Beyond if I have a shot. No, we do have a vacation that we're going to go on this summer and as a family to Florida. And other than that, be up here through June and then kick back and get August started off again.
What are your plans for this summer?
This summer I have musical. I'm going to be there every day. I'm going to be staying out late at the lake, just having fun with my friends.
Geronimo Gutierrez, get back here. Give Kendall your best pickup line.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Are you Google? Because you're all that I've been searching for.
Wait, okay, I need one. Hey, Bella. You want to count shoulders?
What's your summer plans?
I'll be doing a musical.
Have you decided on the musical yet?
I put in license requests for 3, so in order for me to release it, I got to get approved. So I'm currently in the holding pattern to see which one of the 3 I'm going to choose.
He's good. What's your summer plans?
Go to the pool and play softball. Just hang out with my friends. What's your summer plan?
Leave this town.
Wow, I'm really glad our Vikings are ready for the winter months.
You mean summer?
Can we restart? That was embarrassing.
Nope. We need more clips to show off our anchor bloopers.
Let's check out all of the errors from this year.
Sit down, grab a hot chocolate, and enjoy the show. Ho 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 Vikings!
I wasn't ready.
Okay. Ho 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 Vikings! Ho 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 Vikings! Ho 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 Vikings! I don't know how to read.
That Viking in the village slayed.
Oh, I get it, like Slade. Oh, that's funny. Well, that's a wrap.
I actually need to hurry because I need to have to do another interview. I was playing Sudoku.
I could agree. Wait. Sally sells seashores by the seaside.
Cousins out.
Good job. You little turkey.
Speaking of turkey.
I'm Sean.
And I'm Carl.
Hello.
Sin City was a Mavia.
Ooh, the basketball teams are looking good this year. Ooh, the basketball teams are looking.
Oh.
I can't say that. I don't know if I'd rather be anywhere. I don't know if I would have rather. I don't know if I would have been rather. I don't know if I'd rather be anywhere. I don't know if I'd rather have been. I don't know if I'd rather have been anywhere else. That's right.
Other way.
Beluga, mama.
Keep going.
This week, everybody. Every what now?
Everybody.
The bed.
Merry Christmas to all. Would you not know? Me too. Through all of the fun of the season.
And I'm Emma.
It's too slow.
I was like, I
Throw
can't.
my gum away.
The classroom. I'm Shalee. My social security number is. I'm kidding. I just said random numbers.
Whatever. Duh.
Duh. Thanks.
No. Who?
Golf? Strike one. Basketball? Strike two. Chess? Strike three. Get out of here.
That was good.
We're cooking.
Tell me something funny.
Your face.
Fortnite.
Bye, Vikings.
Where is everybody? I can't see.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Yelling is unnecessary, but where is Dylan?
This is Blind Deaf New Baking Challenge. I'm Emma, and they're making cupcakes. They're making a cake.
We have to preheat the oven first of all.
Jalen! What?
Oh, she can hear me. Come here. Eggs.
Give me eggs.
You need a man.
Wait. Bowl. I got it.
What's next?
I got it. Don't fret.
Take the yolk out. We need to get them out of there? Yes. Good.
That's enough, Miles. You put enough in there.
Oh my god, sorry. Miles, what? I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
You got it. Throw it in the trash. Oh. I'm sorry.
Just oil. What do you need? Flour powder. What? Cupcake mix. What does she need? No, use the lid.
Where's the sink?
Put the rest of the.
And that'll pop the egg and it'll go everywhere. So should I just...
the whisper.
Where's the sink?
Get it up in there. Wait, a little bit. Time.
Quit. Okay, mix it real. Slow down. Take it slow.
Girl, that's not gonna work, girl. This side, you see the side here?
You see?
Yeah.
This is the Helen Keller Bake Challenge. On mix.
Where did our cake go?
No, where did it go?
Get into it.
Murder me. Strange things did.
You're like a professional.
Water! Where's the cake?
Oh,
Hey!
I got it.
flip it the other way. Oh my god, Miles.
I got it. It's okay, I got it.
Oh, cupcake. Oh, it's wet.
Oh. Okay, wait, I'm almost done. Dude. Okay.
Love you.
Thank goodness I can hear again.
Did you know that most people's favorite sense is sight? I had it the worst not being able to see.
No, I had it the worst. I couldn't talk.
Guys, you argue like family. Enough feuding.
Welcome to Northwest Viking Family Feud. Okay. Clap it up. Who do we have over here? Who do we have over here? Green Fortnite. Clap it up, clap it up. Each team, pick one person to come up. Name something you would put in a bath. Water. Why are you guys clapping?
Rubber ducky.
Rubber ducky. Name something you would put in a bath. Bubbles. Emma. Name something you would put in a bath.
Soap. She just said that.
Survey says.
Yes.
All right, Fisher. Name something you would put in a bathtub.
A body? Oh my God.
Survey says. Lucas, please do better.
I don't know what to say.
Lucas, what would you put in a bathtub?
Those Graham used to play with. Body wash.
Oh my God.
Body wash. The winner of the 2024 Family Feud broadcast games goes to Green FN.
That was intense.
Yeah, those tensions were high and the questions were tough.
I would never have been able to figure that out. Maybe it's because I hang out with Emma too much.
Wow, we're done.
All right, thanks for tuning into our final broadcast. I'm Shalee.
I'm Dylan.
And I'm Emma. Signing off us seniors one last time.
Peace out.